Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for those that have came back, and thank you for subscribing. So today we're going to clean my master bathroom. This is not a deep clean. This is just like an end of the week clean after working all week and things being left on the counters and, just freshen things up. The shower, I can't let that go week to week because it will be so hard to keep that clean. I don't know about you guys, but the shower is the part that I hate the most about cleaning the bathroom. I hate it. So I have to do it more often so it doesn't get so bad. So anyway, we're just going through cleaning countertops off and just getting the bathroom to freshen back up and to smell good. Of course, in the toilet room, I have to clean that several times a week. That can't wait until the end of the week just because everyone's using it, and there's no way I can let that go all week and not clean it because that will make the whole bathroom and our bedroom smell. Can't have that. So here in the shower, just empty bottles that are up here, just throwing those away because for some reason we just get more out and just put them up there. I don't know about you guys, but we just put another one up there and keep the old ones that are empty up there. So here I'm just going through and just cleaning my countertops off. Put the new freshener. I mean, that lasts more than a week. It's just that it was empty. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope this motivates you to also clean your bathroom. Let me tell you guys, a funny thing about this bathtub is that actually no one in our house uses this tub anymore. My husband and I mostly take, majority, 100% of the time we take showers. But for some reason, this bathtub gets so dirty, and I think it's just dust and maybe just particles throughout the air. But I have to clean this tub, not every week, but at least once a month. I have to just wipe it out and clean it and wipe it down because it gets stuff on it. And I don't know where the stuff comes from. Do you guys have that problem too? Or is it just my house? I don't know. So here I just spray some of the Miss Meyer's cleaner on there, and underneath that faucet where the water comes out, if I don't clean that often, it gets mold in there. So I usually go through and just clean it really good in all the faucets actually. This one, the one in the tub, and my husband's, because it gets these little black particles under there, and it's just from the water. I guess it's mold, I suppose is what it is. So that's what I'm doing there, just cleaning that out. Okay, so moving on to my shower. Oh my goodness, you guys, this shower, I just do it. I just have to just do it and not think about it. But anyway, for my shower, I use vinegar. You guys know that I use vinegar throughout my house. I buy gallons of vinegar at a time because I use a lot of it. So I use vinegar and Dawn dish detergent, and that is what I use to keep the mold down. It gets the residue off the towel. It cleans it so well, better than any soap scum that I bought, better than any other towel cleaner that I bought, you know, besides the vinegar, or not vinegar, I'm sorry, the bleach spray. The Tilex does a good job too. But vinegar and Dawn detergent, it does not take any elbow grease. It doesn't take anything. You just wipe it as if you're just wiping a glass mirror down. And it gets all that stuff off there, and it also keeps it off throughout the week. And I also use the vinegar and the Dawn detergent on my glass doors as well, and it keeps it clean. So that is like one of the best things that I have come across, and thanks to my neighbor, she's the one who told me about it. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much, because you made my life go from, oh my God, to, all right, let me just knock it out and let me just do it. So here you guys can't see, but I'm actually wiping down. I had like towels and washcloth and extra sheets in that little door that's there. And I was just wiping that down. I'm sorry, the video, I didn't get it in there. But anyway, this is the finished product. My shower's clean, the tub is clean, the counters are all cleaned off. So this is pretty much it. So now we are ready to start our new week, and back to work we go, and to a nice, clean, fresh bathroom. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my channel. Please comment below, and please hit that subscribe button. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit that ring button notification, so that way you know every time I put up a new video, you are notified of it. And thank you again so much for your support. Enjoy.